Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get distorted Piggy. First, you'll need to understand the specific requirements within the game. Begin by navigating to the designated starting zone. Often, this involves a particular map or a hidden area. Make sure you have completed any preliminary quests or collected initial items, as these are crucial for progressing. This foundational step sets the stage for the entire process, so pay close attention to in-game clues. Next, you'll need to activate the distortion process. This usually involves interacting with a specific object, such as a mysterious altar, or speaking to a non-player character who holds the key. Be prepared to solve a series of puzzles or overcome challenges that test your in-game knowledge or skills. Your character might also need to meet certain statistical requirements, like having 500 coins or a specific level, before proceeding. To finalize the transformation, you'll typically follow a specific sequence of events or complete a final minigame. This might involve a timed challenge or a precise set of actions. Once these steps are done, the game will usually confirm your successful acquisition of the distorted Piggy. Don't forget to check your in-game inventory or character customization options to verify the new appearance and any associated abilities. For the best chance of success, always consult up-to-date community guides, as game mechanics can change. If you encounter any issues, meticulously double-check all the requirements and steps you've taken. Sometimes a small detail, like missing one of 3 items, can prevent completion. With these steps, you should successfully obtain your distorted Piggy. Enjoy exploring the game with your unique new character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.